Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace, and healing, abundance, and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page with a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is shining light. You have made it to a place that is so beautiful. Sustain that light. Shine and shine on. Great gifts are you unraveling and discovering and actually using for your own benefit. Now, not only just for your benefit, but it's aiding and servicing the rest of the world. But you do it, not second nature, but first nature. That's how beautiful it is. My desire to improve myself transform fear into strength. I raise my thoughts above doubt and find faith in the goodness of the universe. I love and I accept myself as a soul, and I discover the light that dwells within me. To shine, baby, shine, because the rest of the world are looking at you. You are a superstar. We're in awe. So bask in the ambience. You deserve it. Continue to shine. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.